If you want to use Do Not Disturb mode on Realme 14 Pro, you will have to start by opening Settings, then go below for Sounds and Vibration and select Do Not Disturb. Right now, before you turn it on, you can find here a lot of options that you can customize. So first of all, you can silence media when the Do Not Disturb mode is on. When you didn't turn it on, then other things like, notifications for alarms, timers, and calendar events will be turned off, but media will still make sound. Then when you go below, you can find schedule mode. So here you can find first default preset, and it will be available from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. every day. But you can for sure customize it by opening and make some changes. And you can even add multiple schedules if you want, for some specific days, for example. Next, when you go back, we can add some expectations, like you can still receive calls and messages from your favorite contacts, for example, from everyone, or from, from no one, for example. And here you can also do the same with applications. So if you still want to receive some notifications, for example, from Gmail, you will have to turn it on by tapping on this switcher. And below we can also find additional option, ring for repeated calls. So if someone call you for the second time within 3 minutes, then the call will be not silenced. So we can also use that feature.